Welcome, you are listening Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. With 89,706 infections being reported in a day, India's COVID-19 tally went past 43 lakh, while 33,98,844 people have recuperated from the disease so far, pushing the national recovery rate to 77.77% on Wednesday, according to the data shared by Union Health Ministry. The total coronavirus cases mounted to 43,70,128, while the death toll rose to 73,890, with 1,115 people succumbing to the disease in a span of 24 hours in the country, the data updated at 8 a.m. showed. The COVID-19 case fatality rate has further dropped to 1.69%. There are 8,97,394 active cases of COVID-19, which is 20.53% of the total caseload in the country, the data stated. India's COVID-19 tally had crossed the 20 lakh mark on August 7, reached 30 lakh on August 23 and went past 40 lakh on September 5. According to the Indian Council of Medical Research, a cumulative total of 5,18,04,677 samples have been tested up to September 8, with 11,54,549 samples being tested on Tuesday. Supreme Court on Wednesday stayed the implementation of 2018 Maharashtra law granting reservation to Marathas in education and jobs in the state, but made it clear that the status of those who have availed the benefit would not be disturbed. A bench headed by Justice L. Nageshwar Roy passed the interim order in the matter through video conferencing. The Apex Court also referred the matter to a larger bench for disposal of the matter. The court said that the Chief Justice of India would decide as to what kind of larger bench it will be and who will be heading and what would be the composition. The Apex Court also made it clear that the admissions for the PG courses should not be altered for the year. There are a bench of petitions the Supreme Court was hearing which have challenged the Maratha reservation quota in the state. The Apex Court said that the issue of deciding the larger bench would be placed before the CGI for necessary orders. The Supreme Court said that Maratha reservation not to be effectuated for jobs and admissions now. However, admissions already made to PG courses would not be altered. India, France and Australia on Wednesday discussed economic and geostrategic challenges and cooperation in the Indo-Pacific region. The foreign secretaries of the three countries co-chaired their first senior official trilateral dialogue on Wednesday through video conference. During the dialogue, the three sides discussed economic and geostrategic challenges and cooperation in the Indo-Pacific, particularly in the context of COVID-19 pandemic and domestic responses to COVID-19, the Ministry of External Affairs said in a statement here. The BSE Sensex remained weak for another day on Wednesday as it dropped by 171.43 points to settle at 38,193.92 as selling was witnessed in banks, finance, realty and IT stocks amid negative global peers. The Nifty of National Stock Exchange too fell by 39.35 points to 11,278 points. That is all for the today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.